For my last video, I basically had like 500 views from my lock video, so I was like, maybe I should keep you guys updated because you guys seem to have liked that one. I thought having locks was gonna be way easier than natural hair. It's the same maintenance. Shaylaaaliyah, please don't copyright me, yeah. What is up, guys? It's your girl Shaylaaaliyah, aka Line Queen, and I am back with another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, I'm gonna be giving you guys a 2-month lock update. So let's just get right into the video. It's the 21st of July. I was gonna make this video yesterday, but I didn't. But yeah. So yesterday is my 2-month I guess lock anniversary, I guess you could call it. That's what we're gonna say. Yesterday was my 2-month lock anniversary. So if you guys watched my first video, you know that May 20th is when I locked my hair. I did the comb coil method, and yeah, I said I was gonna update you guys every time I got like budding or a lock or whatever, but I was gonna do it the first month, but I feel like I didn't really have that much change, so I didn't. So what I think I'm gonna do in this video is, right now I have my hair in a bun because I was like, maybe I could talk to you guys and then wash it and retwist it and you guys see the outcome. If there's any changes oh my gosh, I can't talk. And you guys just like see if there's any changes from the initial video that I made of me starting my lock journey. So yeah, first month I didn't have that much changes, so we're just gonna go into what's going on with my hair. Maybe I'll show you some pictures because I was trying to take some pictures of my head to like see if there was any progress. Yeah, we're just gonna wing this, okay? So May 20th I got my hair comb coiled. If you guys watched my last video, you guys would know that. So I had my hair comb coiled. The person that did my hair, she told me to not wash my hair for like a month and a half, only because my texture hair, like if the water hits it, since I did comb coils, it might just drop. Did I wait a month or did I wait like 3 weeks? I think I waited 3 weeks rather than a month. It needed to get washed, and I'm the type of person, like when I have curly hair, I wash my hair I co-wash my hair every week, but I wash my hair every month. Yeah, so that's what I do with my hair when it's loose and natural. So I was like, I'm just used to cleansing my scalp once a month, so I was like, it's actually 3 weeks. My hair is itchy, my head is itchy, I mean, and I feel like I need to wash my hair, so I did that. I washed it, and I should have waited more than that because the two locks that were in the front right here, they kept coming out since they weren't locked yet. So I was just like, dang. So I had to keep retwisting those. To this day, like, it's just like a little knot at the end, so it's just curl and then like a little tiny knot holding it together. So it's not really a lock that's right here. I have to keep retwisting it every single time. But yeah, so that's the only time I had when I washed it. Those came out. For the most part, I had a lot of locks come out. I'm not even gonna lie, I had a lot of locks come out. So I was like, maybe I should have waited and listened. But at the same time, it's just like, it hurt me and helped me in a way because the looser curls, they dropped, so they came out. But the curls that are like at the crown of my head, they got matted when I washed them. So those are closer to locking. I feel like washing your hair or wetting it in general, that speeds up the locking process, at least for me, because it's like your hair, especially if it's curly, you're used to combing out in the shower. So then when you wet it and then like you're doing nothing to it, all that dead hair that's supposed to come out just stays. So it was just for most of my locks, it was great, because especially the ones in like the crown of my head, because that's when they really started, like, I don't want to say locking, but matting. And the first ones to like lock are these are fully locked. There's nothing there, like there's no budding. This didn't go through a budding process at all, did it? No, it just locked, because these curls back here, if I don't comb them out, they just lock up. So regardless, I knew that this was going to do that, because these curls, if I don't do anything to them, I'm going to have a kitchen. So yeah, these are the only ones that are locked. The rest of my hair, like I said, the crown of my head, it got matted faster because of me washing it. None of them are fully locked either, because the ends of my hair, as you can see, I have curls. So like, it's like matted hair. It's not like a lock yet. I don't even know if it's budding. I don't know, because looking at other people's videos versus my hair, that's just like, I don't know if this is budding, if this is locking, if this is whatever. But like, I don't have a lock that is like fully like, that's like a full cylinder yet. Like, it's just bumps, like it's curls. You could tell like I have curls, so then it's curls and then like dead hair around it. There's not a full lock yet. So yeah, I added a calorie shell. I read that you're not supposed to do that until like your hair is fully locked. Like, it's easy to come out of my hair because my hair is soft, but I wanted to add something into it because I felt like my hair was naked. So yeah, I'm trying to think what else. So yeah, I don't have like full locks yet, but I feel like they're getting there for the most part. I got a lot of compliments from it. A lot of my family members thought that they were just twists that like I didn't take out yet. And yeah, the first month that's what happened. It wasn't that much of a change. It was just like a little bit of matted hair just moving throughout the thing. So I had like matted hair, curl, matted hair. It just looked crazy, honestly. But yeah. So yeah, that was the first one. Nothing crazy, nothing spectacular. Now we're 2 months in, and I feel like, how many times do I wash my hair? I wash my hair at least like 3 times. I seen videos that said not to retwist your hair often because it'll make it thin and then the lock could break and yada yada yada. But they said it depends on your hair texture and stuff like that. Me personally, I had to like retwist my hair a couple of times. Like, I can't do it once a month. I had to do it like at least 2 times a week at the beginning. And then now that my hair is getting like a little bit longer, I guess it's not needed as much. Like right now, I did this because I have new growth, but if I let my new growth rock, it'll be fine. Like, they'll still be individual. At the beginning though, it started like clumping all together, so I had to retwist it in order to make sure my locks didn't marry each other. So I was just like, yeah, let me just retwist it a couple of times, even though I'm not supposed to. But it helped with like them joining together, because if I didn't retwist it as often as I did, I probably have one big lock instead of all the different ones that I have right now. Other than that, nothing really changed. I don't have anything crazy. Locked hair is just as much work as natural hair. That's what I'm starting to realize, and I didn't think that it would be as much, but it is. And I don't mind it. It's way better than loose hair right now, because I could just get up, put it in a bun, and then if it looks messy, it can look messy because it's locks. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to do as much as I do with loose hair, but maintenance wise, it's pretty much kind of the same. I'm trying to think what else. Me personally, I feel like my hair grew, but at the same time I feel like it shrunk. I don't know. People told me, YouTubers I've watched, they had experiences where their hair, they know that their hair grew, but like it goes, the locks drop, and then when you wash it, it shrinks up, it drops, it shrinks up, it drops, it shrinks up. So I feel like I've had that, but not to extreme. For the most part, since my hair is cut in a bob, it's like at a bob length when it's fully like all dropped down. I'm gonna try to put pictures up like as I'm talking about this, because I have pictures that I try to take pictures so that people could see, or not people could see, but so you guys could see, so you guys see my progress and stuff. The initial reason of me doing my locks was to grow back patches of hair that were missing, because I had like a couple bald spots. This one right here started growing back. I feel like I just have like a little space more to grow back when it comes to that. I had a bald spot back here, and for the most part that's going back too, so I see some growth. I'm actually going to start taking hair, skin, and nail vitamins to increase that. I've been putting Drew Brew, Sulfur 8 on my scalp, doing scalp massages. I've been trying to be on it. That's really all that's been going on with my locks though. So I'm probably gonna just see you guys later after I finish washing my hair, retwisting it, and yeah, probably come back and show you guys the finished product. And yeah, just stay tuned and watch the rest of the video.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I washed and retwisted my hair. So this is how it looks. To me, it shrunk up, because if you've seen it before, it was kind of more lengthier the first month I had it done. That's it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys an update on my lock journey so far, and I like it. I have like a lot of curls going on, except for this one. You guys see this? Yeah, but oh, okay. I won't wear nothing. I'm gonna leave them on. But yeah, for the most part, I'm feeling it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna try to make sure that I do this every couple of months, like when I see drastic changes, because there were changes. As you can see, it got more fluffier, and I just been leaving it. Like, I don't even try to do all that throughout it. I just leave it alone and let it do its thing, and I like the way it's coming out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to keep seeing more of my lock journey, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.